Yeah, Sanbon, Dumelang Hai, Tis I, CWO, TSO, pronounced Kutu. Lankizina lo lalatata, but not this time. Let's go hiking at Klipriviersberg Nature Reserve.
We are here. We're out here. Lost, but we will make it. We just started. How are we already lost when we just started? I don't know how many kilometers this is. Oh, this is so beautiful. We're not even in, but this is amazing. I hope the following people are still together. What is that? It's like and when I get toilet the move. Yeah, like now. Oh, the lies. All men do is lie. My gender. India. I'm smart truck, eh? Here's the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower. Okay, I almost fell for the tower. But yeah, it says in Paris. We are in Paris.
What is that supposed to be?
Hi ball. Why won't I? Oh yeah, at least it's a music, so.
We took a little breather at some spot, and Sean's phone decided to do rock and climbing.